Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Wise Business Account Review My Usage Experience. Wise Business Account Review My Usage Experience offers a streamlined way to manage and analyze your Wise Business Account transactions. It's aimed at small business owners and freelancers using Wise for international payments who need a clearer picture of their financial activity. Key features seem to include detailed transaction history, customizable reporting, and potentially some level of expense categorization. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. They emphasize ease of use and transparent pricing, claiming no hidden fees. While they don't explicitly mention it, the service likely leveraged Wise's existing infrastructure and API for data access. Availability is tied directly to having a Wise business account. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Wise Business Account Review My Usage Experience. Setting up the account link was straightforward. It took less than 5 minutes to connect my Wise account. The interface is quite intuitive. I particularly appreciated the ability to filter transactions by date, currency, and even payment type. I was able to generate a detailed report of my expenses for the last quarter in just a few clicks, making tax preparation significantly easier. The performance was consistently reliable. I never experienced any glitches or slowdowns. I did have a quick question about customizing the report format, and their support responded within 2 days via email, a pretty reasonable turnaround. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the ease of generating custom reports tailored to my specific needs. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. I found myself needing to access the service from my laptop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Wise Business Account Review My Usage Experience. It has significantly improved my ability to manage and understand my business finances. That's my overview of Wise Business Account Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.